Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create channel art for your YouTube channel from your mobile phone. Yes, in my previous video I have given how to create your YouTube channel using your mobile phone and how to create your YouTube channel logo from your mobile phone. Using your mobile phone itself, you can create your own YouTube channel, your own YouTube logo, as well as today I'm going to show you how to create a channel art for the YouTube channel from your mobile phone itself. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, what is the channel art? If I open YouTube channel and I can click some other channel, so it will be displayed. This is my channel account. Just I open means on the top you will find your channel banner, so that is your channel art. Yes, how to make a beautiful channel art using your mobile phone itself. Let's see. From your mobile, you need to install the application called Canva. So once you open Canva, so I have given the description link how to create a logo, how to use Canva application. So just to click the description link, you know about the things. Yes, here there will be a different kind of option will be available on the top in search button. Just to search YouTube channel art. So once you search YouTube channel art, different kind of channel art with a size, it will be displayed over here as you see. So there will be a different kind of channel art will be available. Using which design you want, you can choose according to your need. For example, I have chosen this kind of channel art, so life on the water. So I want to change this one, so I want to edit the text. Just double click on that and you can change like HowXT Tamil. So this is my channel art. If you want to edit more, so if you want to change the colors, you want to change the colors. So different kind of channel art will be available. If you want to redo the things, so on the top right hand side you will find option called redo. So just press that, automatically it will be moved back to the previous. If you want to select the effect, if you want to add the filter, you can add the filter. If you want to add more elements, you can add the plus button. So I have created the channel art using the two steps. I can download this image. On top right hand side corner you will find a download option and you can download the option. Yeah, so I have created the channel art. Now within 2 seconds I have created, so my files has downloaded now. Yes, now I would like to insert this channel art into my YouTube channel. Just open the Chrome browser. In right hand side corner you will find an option called the 3 dots. Just hit the button and select desktop site. Once you select desktop site and top right hand side corner you have logged in with your account. So this logo I have created last week, YouTube, how to create a YouTube logo using your mobile phone. So just select this one and go to YouTube. Automatically it will ask you whether you want to open YouTube in a Chrome or YouTube application. I want to open in a Chrome browser. Yes, I just select just once. So once I select means automatically it will open my channel. So if I want to go to my channel dashboard, just hit the top right hand side corner and select YouTube Studio. Once I select the YouTube Studio, automatically my channel dashboard will become like this. Yes, I have created the YouTube channel. This is my channel icon, HowXT Tamil. Everything will be displayed over here. So now I would like to customize my channel. For I want to add my channel art. Just hit the button customize. In the right hand side corner you will find an option called here. So here you will be having the layout and branding and basic information. Just select the branding. So here only I have selected my profile picture which I have stored my logo. Here banner image will be available, so you want to upload your banner image so that image will be displayed in your YouTube channel. I just select upload. Yes, I can select my image where the image I want. I can select from browse option. So I have selected the channel art and I can choose viewable size of my image and I just select done. So once I done this channel art, automatically my channel icon will be changed like this as you see. Yes, just select the publish option. Once you select the publish option, your edits will be over. So channel art is added over here. So once within a second is changed, published. So now you just click on top right hand side corner, go to your channel and just select YouTube and your channel will be displayed over here. Yes, my channel art as well as my logo will be available. So using this easy option, you can create your own YouTube channel art. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.